One Day Industry Meet Awareness Program organized by Bureau of Indian Standard Kolkata in association with Branch MSME DFO Durgapur on 7 January 2025 at Fortune Park City Center, Durgapur. The program was inaugurated by Sri Professor Arvind Chaube, Director, National Institute of Technology, Durgapur, in presence of Sri Anindo Chakraborty, Senior Director, Sri Manamendra Singh, Joint Director, Srimati Nitu Kashwal, Srimati Shreya Kumari, Sri Rajashree Majhi, IEDS Assistant Director, IC Sri Siddharth Nandi, IEDS Assistant Director, Sri Taposh Roy, Assistant Director, Branch MSME DFO Durgapur, Dr. Taposh Kumar De, Chairman, National Chamber of Cottage and Small Industries, Sri Vijay Gupta, Secretary, Durgapur Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Sri Ratan Agarwal, Secretary, Durgapur Small Industries Association and various districts chamber associations, Sri Dilip Paswan, YCC and I, participants from large industry, Dr. Hriday Haldar, Chairman, Anandamoy Group of Companies, MSME, entrepreneurs and business chambers. Newsreader Smita Roy.